that's what I want to appeal to you. We have to take this voter registration seriously. Make calls to your brothers and sisters outside Igbo land. Our population should be number 1 in the country. A time for action has come. It's not a time to be complaining. And let me tell you, let nobody come to tell you about Igbo agenda. The agenda first we have is a Ebonyi agenda. Una hear me so? Our party in Ebonyi is APC. It's not Labour Party. We will not vote for Labour Party. We will vote for APC. There is a party that is doing all these things for us. That's the party we vote for. Yes. The states that Labour Party has helped should vote for them. No be so? The agenda on board for Ebonyi State is Ebonyi State agenda. Now so you go to tell them when they come to tell you nonsense, ask them, did you vote for us? Una they hear me? Ask them, did you vote for us? Is it because na Ebonyi State? Do not look for our votes. Our votes belong to APC. Tinubu started with only one state and used it to liberate his people. We have to liberate ourselves from our brothers and sisters in Southeast. We need it. We need to tell every one of them that we've arisen. And don't be apologetic in saying it. Say it with all boldness. I am black and proud.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.